The Ukrainian people are being attacked from the air, from artillery, from ground troops and tanks. The debris of this war litters every street. But the government has warned for days of Russian saboteurs who've infiltrated the country to bring terror. Death squads who are attacking civilians in their cars as they flee. They do exist, as we found out.
Oh, that's a tyre, isn't it?
Oh, that's a bullet.
That was a bullet.
Okay.
No, it wasn't a bullet.
It wasn't. Something blew up under us.
Something went bang.
Okay.
Oh, there's a big hole.
Okay. Oh,
Whoa!
okay. Wait.
Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa! 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 Stop! Where everyone?
We think it's a Ukrainian checkpoint and a mistake, so we identify ourselves.
British journalists! Journalists!
Journalists!
Journalista!
Can anyone? You alright, Stu?
Journalista!
Is everyone okay? You okay, Dom?
Yeah, I'm okay. Journalists!
Somehow we have to get out of this, but the rounds keep coming. It's a professional ambush. The bullets just don't miss.
Whoa!
Where can we go? Shall I crawl? Can we crawl down the embankment?
Andre! Whoa! Whoa! No! Stop! Stop! Journalist! Where are you
I'm
going?
hit, but escape the car, and with producer Dominic van Heerden, we make our way down the embankment.
Where are
Camera operator Richie Mockler has taken 2 rounds to his body armour, but is still stuck in the car. He runs for it in a hail of bullets.
Okay, guys. Keep going.
Stuart? Come on, Stuart, I'm rolling.
The 5 of us have made it out of the car, down the embankment, and we just can't believe we're alive.
Let's go through there, behind that wall.
Go.
Go on then.
Go.
We run into a warehouse unit looking for cover.
Go.
Yeah.
3 caretakers beckon us inside.
Yeah.
Spasibo.
And we're like, is that a Ryan? And they didn't see the
Producer Martin Val starts coordinating a rescue plan with Sky staff. We know any rescue will take hours. We're stuck, fighting outside. We've no idea what's going on.
We've got ourselves into a garage. Somehow we found our way in. There's 3 guys working here, and they've said we can stay, but there's a lot of firing going on outside. We don't know why. It appears to be battle with mortars and shooting.
After a mammoth logistical effort, we were rescued by the local police. We were lucky. Thousands of Ukrainians are not. And every day, this war gets worse here. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News, Kiev.